Okay, as you can see, these guys are not bigger than it was yesterday. They were ready yesterday. They're definitely going to be ready today. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a big container like that and a couple of strings, and I'm going to show you in a moment how we start this. So from here, basically, we're just going to put water in it, and we're going to take all this content into it right now. Okay, just like that. You see, just like that is plain. So what we do now is that we're going to take them apart, just like that, just with the fingers, okay? Just doing like that. That's all we have. You see these over here? These are the shells that we're trying to get rid of, okay? They're not really bad or toxic. They're just, they just did their function, which was to protect the seed, right? So they have already finished. Once they are sprouted, you know, they got destroyed, they got open, they did their job very well, so thank you. But they don't have any nutritional content that we want to keep, and it has a little bit of a bitter taste, so we want to get rid of them, and it's very, very easy. I'm going to show you right now. So basically, once you open them like that, you can see them, you see, like that. They're ready, no problem. And here, I'm going to get rid of all of these, just like that. See? Very, very easy. Voila. Okay, so this is what came out. You see, this is what we're gonna do, and we're gonna throw away because it has no value. We are gonna get rid of this, okay? In the trash. Now, the next step, we have the sprouts already clean here, right? So we're gonna take a container like this where we can, by hand, pretty much just grab them like that and start pouring them. Okay, as you can see, I've removed most of it, and look where it is. I should have used a bigger container, but pretty much these are those sprouts ready to be consumed. They're clean, they're ready. They just need to drain a little bit more. So what we're going to do last is we're going to remove what you see over there, and we're going to do it the following way. I use this tool right here. This tool is perfect for removing the last few pieces like that, you see? Just like that. Very, very, very simple. See, this is all clean sprouts. And you see here, this is what we have left. Now you can throw these away, but these are good seeds, good sprouting seeds that you may want to use for something else. For example, I use them to plant them over here. And as you can see, look how they're grown. Those are those seeds of the microgreens growing. Those are also seeds of the microgreens. So I use the pulp for the juice, and on top of it, I start putting all these seeds. And that's what they look like when they start growing, because this is good soil. These are good seeds, and eventually they're all gonna grow like they are over here. And that's how we clean the sprouts and what we do with the seeds.